Let us start. Question first. Pick out from the poem two lines each that reflect an optimistic, that is positive attitude, and pessimistic, that is negative attitude. What you have to do? You have to find the lines which gives or which shows the positive attitude. For example, foretells a pleasant day. That is what this line tells us, that whatever time we will have, that is the better time. The same way you have to find the lines which are giving positive attitude. For the pessimism or pessimistic attitude, what line is given in the poem? Let me give you example. Oft a little morning rain. So here morning rain shows difficulties. So when we think about difficulties, it means we are becoming negative, we are becoming hopeless. So such a lines you have to find for pessimism. Question second. Give other ly adverbs of similar meaning for the following. Use a thesaurus if needed. So you can browse for the meanings of all these words on internet, dictionary or etc. For example, rapidly. Rapidly means speedily or swiftly. The same way you have to find ly adverbs of similar meaning for other examples too. Question third. Pick out three examples of interrogation. What is interrogation? That is rhetorical question. Now you will say, what is rhetorical question, right? So rhetorical question means a question which is asked or which is said by the speaker where the answer is not expected from the listener. So you have to find such a lines from the poem. Explain in your own words the point that each one makes. Let me give you example. Here are some of the examples in the poem. First, if the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall. So here this line is a rhetorical question where the poetess doesn't want any answer, just putting this question to give importance to express her ideas. What this line express, or what is the explanation? We must not express regret for the difficulties we face. The same way you have to find two more examples of rhetorical questions from this poem. Next, B. Explain the metaphor in the following lines. What is metaphor? It is one of the figure of speech in which the comparison of one thing to other is done without using the word like or as. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. So here morning rain is compared with the difficulties, and pleasant day is compared with joyous time. So the same way you have to find what are the things in the line compared to in our life. Such explanation you have to give for the other examples too. Question C. Pick out 4 examples of personification. Write what is personified. As you know, it is also one of the figure of speech in which something inhuman acts like human. For example, death steps in. Explanation: death is the inhuman thing or inhuman thing which is personified and mentioned that it is stepping in, doing the action of human. So find some more examples of personification. Question D. And calls our best away is a gentle way of expressing the unpleasant idea of a loved one dying. It is an example of euphemism. Euphemism is also one of the figure of speech in which something bad is told in a gentle way. Think and write down 3 or 4 ways in which we can express the idea of death in a tactful and gentle manner. So without saying someone died, we can use other ways to express, to tell the same thing, just like above mentioned, and calls our best away. Let me give you the example. The person has become beloved of God. Another way, he or she has gone to meet the Maker. So this is what telling the or giving the news of death in a tactful or gentle manner. So find your own examples to write the answer over here. Question 4th. And that's how I realized that courage and hope can help me overcome any major mishap or problem in life. Write an episode or experience from your own life that leads to the above conclusion. So if you have faced any problem in your life, how courage and hope helped you to overcome it, that experience you have to write in this answer. And last one, question 5th, read The Psalm of Life, a poem by H.W. Longfellow. Psalm means song, the song of life. So read this poem. I hope you all have understood what to do with the given activities.